11th Vintage Car Display is being held at the Gurgaon Ambience Golf Course from February 21st to 23rd. 21 Concept View Concorde d'Elegance has around 80 vintage cars on display across various parts of the golf course. The event features a stunning collection of some of the most valuable vintage cars in India, including Rolls-Royce, Bentley, MG, and Cadillac. Every car has a story, reflecting its history of innovation and ownership. Some vehicles have single ownership, which means they remained in the hands of a single owner for generations, while others were owned by Maharajas, identifiable by their red number plates.
When you see a red plate on a car, it means it used to formerly belong to a Maharaja.
One particularly fascinating 1934 Packard belongs to Rajiv K from Delhi, who fell in love with the car 50 years ago.
Siddhi! भैया सीधे कर लो. No, I have not owned this car for so long. I've owned it for 20 years, which in terms of car ownership is not much. But I have been in love with this car for 50 years. It's my oldest love affair. I was chasing this car since I was a teenager, and I finally managed to buy it. And I have taken this car to 6 shows, and one abroad and one in 5 of them. It's been to Italy, it's been to France, it's been to England, and it's been to America.
Whitney and Brian, two judges from the United States, spoke about the judging criteria.
Yeah, we work in teams of 3 that will look at the car, and we have a form that we based on 100 points.
Daman Thakur's 75-year-old MG car, which the family lovingly calls Lal Pari, Red Fairy, has won many national and international awards. The Thakur family, along with their car, was celebrated by the media when they embarked on a road journey from Dubai to the United States, traversing 16 countries and covering 12,000 kilometers.
Okay. Which route you took from
We shifted to Dubai,
Okay.
and then Iran, Turkey, Greece, Bulgaria, Macedonia, Montenegro, up the Balkans into Croatia, and then Italy, and then Switzerland,
Okay.
France, and then at the top are all the places where it has won awards or been displayed, all the shows which are there, and then at the bottom are all the clubs across the world where it is visited, and then clubs of India who are into vintage and heritage cars.
What award it's been in this category? It's got any?
So it is one best of class for the MG class. It has also got the Founders Cup Award. It has won a couple of awards in the past.
International one.
Yeah.
Two of the old world charm Rolls-Royce belong to Kolkata-based collector and restorer Shri Vardhan Kanoria. Durai Muti from Chennai, who owns 18 vintage cars, including a 100-year-old Chevrolet, was asked which car he loved the most.
So, which is your favorite car in your collection?
The way you're asking is with baby.
When questioned whether it was the ease of driving that made him prefer vintage car over classic car, he said, "It's passion."
So, how do you feel the new cars and old system combination?
Even though we have a new car, so we are more confident with the old car. We love the car.
Yeah, because of the fun of riding or because it's old and
No, it's our passion from many years.
Most vintage car owners drive their vehicles on weekends and are deeply passionate about preserving them in their original condition, ensuring that only authentic parts are used for repairs, even after decades of ownership. Angel is one such owner and probably has the only surviving Morris Mini 1959 in India. The Mini 1959 was handed down from his parents, who had acquired the car from the first production batch in UK. It was during the Portuguese rule in Goa, and the car was originally white. The Beatles and many other celebrities also owned Mini 1959. Milling Angel has painstakingly ensured that the originality of the car is maintained and has sourced all the original spare parts.
This was issued me in 2009. See, being a part of 50 years of celebration. This is a UK magazine, Mini magazine by name. My vehicle,
No, your
my
car is
article featured in this magazine as a part of in 2014 as a part of 55 years of Mini. Whatever original parts are there,
Yeah.
are still there. If they are worn out, I see to it that I get the original. I know some sources, I managed to get it, but there is no compromise of altering or changing new parts. That I know I don't do. I don't do. Glasses, white glasses, right? They are still factory fitted old. Same 59 which came with the car. I am still using it. Same glasses that come. Still, I am particular about all this minute things, but I see to it that originality is maintained.
When asked the common mileage question, "Kitna deti hai?" then he said,
My parents,
How much petrol does it hold?
25 liters. 25.
In old days, like 25 liters, you could travel how many kilometers?
One, ultimately, with one tank full, I used to go to from here to, you can see, I can from here to Belgaum and back.
From Goa to Belgaum.
Belgaum is 150 kilometers.
Yeah, okay.
From Goa.
Now it's possible. Now also you are getting the.
See, I have not tried now. I have not tried, and I am not interested in testing also. Now, see, I am not bothered about the consumption.
Yeah, that is there.
Those days, yes, it was not, I mean, we were conscious about the consumption. But, you know, okay, casually we used to say how much it comes. It was just like that.
overall, the Vintage Car Show offers a unique experience as they transporting the visitors back in time to by 50 to 80 years of car history.